Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and share it, as it helps the channel grow. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. A Perspective of Our Universe. By Angel V. ORNEDO Jr. Thursday, June 9, 9:49 p.m. Only two things are infinite, the universe, and human stupidity, and I am not sure about the former. I have deep faith that the principle of the universe is simple and beautiful. Einstein acknowledged the workings of the universe but said that the complexity is beyond his reach, and he refused to further understand it. That is, we are all interconnected in our known universe and expanding. Einstein is near to quantum energy. Our educational system taught us physics and mathematics, emphasizing Newton's laws, which are: Law 1. A body remains at rest, or in motion at a constant speed in a straight line, unless acted upon by a force. Law 2. When a body is acted upon by a force, the time rate of change of its momentum equals the force. Law 3. If two bodies exert forces on each other, these forces have the same magnitude but opposite directions. Newton emphasized materialism, reduction, separation, objectivity, and determinism. With relativity of Einstein, everything changed. His equation, E equals mc squared, energy equals mass times speed of light squared. Mass and energy are interchangeable. At this moment in time, human principles are measly tiny parts, fade away as the principle of the universe is taking over, interconnectedness. My childhood theories of circular is most appropriate as I discussed these with my teachers and professors who disagreed. The truth is, Earth rotates around her axis in 24 hours and revolves around the Sun in 365 days. The Solar System, Alcyone, and Sirius, revolve around the galactic center in 225 million year cycles, and the galaxies revolve around all in a circular form, resonate with each other. Magnetic resonance is unlocked from the above revolution of objects. The circular movement of these bodies in our known universe opens to human understanding the principles of quantum energy. My childhood theories are proven correct after 7 decades. The circle or the circular movement is correct, a principle I proved that costs me the loss of academic awards during my school days. As I had children of my own, I taught them never to disagree but write it down, and the future will prove them correct. This is the time we learn to understand the law of one, or how all our actions affects everything, everyone, quantum energy. The term quantum of energy means that the energy is not transferred continuously but as discrete packets of energy. Well, still difficult to fathom for humans. God sent Steve Jobs and Elon Musk's other inventors of the internet that makes everything around the world connect with the speed of light that obsoletes communicative labor we know, including messengers, secretaries, the post office, letter writing, and a host of work we know. The printing and the book world are gone, transferred to digital, including encyclopedias, a prelude to quantum age. Elon Musk's interconnective satellites at Bataan, Philippines are near to operate after PH government approved it, making the PH the first in Southeast Asia to have high-speed satellite broadband connectivity. At this moment in time we learn to understand that everything is connected and what we do complements the work of others. Rely on contextual information either through discussion or a nota bene form, common in articles, blogs or writings, presentation, and that simply means we are conscious of consciousness ourselves, of the whole body of knowledge, and that of the universe around us. In a sense, we have entered the digital world learning to be literate and learning the skills required to communicate. Unluckily, everywhere around the mobile phone is addicting, and conversation, the voice, the real communication is losing steam, gone, as the phone took everything of us, good or bad you decide. Light, sound and music are the language of the universe. At this moment what we lack is to live within the heart, within us, feel, think, and see through the heart, which is the secret of all wisdom and communication, and the digital age is only a preparatory age for this real truth. The brain analyzes, clutters, and create problems to make it relevant, but our hearts, with 80,000 neurons therein, have taken over. The center of living life and love flows everywhere, quantum. Remember, we, human divine beings, are love. Definitely, digital age is here, including internet, social media and mobile devices like the phone, complete with memory, camera, phone, and text technologies, offshoot of the quantum age energies affecting humanity and Earth. Quantum age means that when we offer higher vibration and love to others in need, You light them up and they will find each other through the collective human consciousness, as we are all connected with each other. It is like water pouring through porous material, and it permeates the whole human experience as water is everywhere. In your case it is your light, and your love, seeping everywhere where it is needed to be one, a part of our journey to unity, oneness. Resonate with each other, we connect. Be conscious, and consider others as they are in their own paths of evolution, and in some cases, we base our opinions on theirs. Learn to hear, listen and love, the secret of living in a higher vibrational frequency here and now coming, it is at your doorsteps. Love and light, Angel V. ORNEDO Jr. Nota bene, my higher self and intuition are always around telling me new things for our world. I consult my higher self every time I need information through my heart and mind, with Sananda's assistance. Man must remember that he is related to all things of creation and one within and with God within the wondrous universe of creation. Sananda. About the author, Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and organize corporations creating jobs, share knowledge as faculty or officer at universities, boards and associations. Angel is MBA, CPA, A, link at ornedojr@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Zlibris and Amazon.com.